Olympics in 1992. Ito po si Chris King, a native of North Carolina. At ang balita, there have been 3 outstanding high school players to have come out of North Carolina. One of them, Michael Jordan. One of the 3, ito po, si Chris King.
Aba, elite company. Well, tandaan natin, itong si Chris King pumasok sa Gordon's Gym. Pinunta niya si Tyrone Hopkins. And he has played here in the semis. And now an opportunity to play in the finals. Tabla po ang ating score, 63-all. Ito ay ating pang-5 lamang na deadlock in the ball game. But it's been a close one here at the Astrodome.
Ito na naman si Jeff Ward. Pinepwersa na niya yung tira niya, and he will go to the line.
Davey Gayoso ang tinawagan ng foul. And Gayoso picking up his 4th personal foul. Pang-apat din na team foul yan ng Gordon's Gin.
Well, humihingi na din ng tulong si Chris King not to stop Jeff Ward. Because,
ang tanong dito, Kinito, kailan mo isusugal si Marlo Aquino ika nga sa pagpasok dito? It's a very close game, but Aquino has to get warmed up ika nga going into the crucial
well,
moment.
matagal pa to, no? 7:26 to go as you see Marlo Aquino sitting on the bench. I would expect Sonny Jaworski to bring him back with about maybe 4 or 5 minutes to go. And that should be enough time for Marlo Aquino to get back into the flow of the game.
4 na puntos pa lamang si Marlo Aquino, pero mas mahalaga 2 mintis para kay Jeff Ward from that trip from the free throw line. 63-all, 7 and 18 remaining.
Diyan natin nakikita the pressure on both imports. Chris King, a step back jumper, yes!
23 points para kay Chris King.
Yan ang kaibahan ni Chris King compared to Jeff Ward. He will be able to take the pressure shot. At ito naman si Jeff Ward is not used to this kind of a situation, playing before a crowd of over 10,000 people.
Hinahanap pa rin nila si Jeff Ward. They have 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Art de la Cruz, inside pass. Ward gets position, gets blocked by Chris King. Gayoso, binigay kay Vince Hizon. Andun si Arenzo, pero nandun din si Racela.
Ito si Vince Hizon looking for a 3-point shot.
Sabi
and
ni Chris
again they
King,
go to Chris King. Ito na.
3-point shot. Wala. Tumalbog ang bola patungo kay Gayoso. Libre si Arenzo.
Wide open! Yes! Ito na sinasabi natin, the 3-point shooting of Gordon's Gin.
And they're rocking dito sa Boneta Astrodome. And Gordon's Gin on top by 5.
New Video Home Appliances.
5-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. Ito yung huling tira ni Pido Harencio, the 12-year veteran out of UST. Last year, #1 sa 3-point shooting. Banging one in from Triple V country at 5 po ang abante ng Gordon's Gin at 6:12 remaining dito sa ating final quarter. Jeff Ward getting fouled, gets the first free throw.
Partner nito si Harencio, talagang hinahanap niya yung 3-point shot. And in his career, he is a 38% 3-point shooter.
Last year, Kinito, 41%, #1 in the league. Itong si Pido Harencio. In this semis, 50% shooting si Pido, 16 out of 32 before this game.
At partner, bumalik na sina Marlo Aquino at Nelson Asaitono.
Yes.
Sa larong ito.
Sama mo na si Mike Mustre at kumpleto po ang ating cast para sa huling 6 na minuto nitong larong ito. Harencio nasa 3-point range. Aquino forces one, wala. Asaitono with the rebound. And Jaworski continues to give the dagger looks kay referee Benji Chua. 5:45 remaining dito sa ating final quarter.
Again the play anchored on Jeff Ward.
Head fake, nilabas kay Freddy Abuda. Looper of a shot, what a shot! Wala kay Freddy Abuda.
10 points for Freddy Abuda.
Wala bumibitaw.
Harencio with a 3-point shot.
And a good play para kay Freddy Abuda. In-screen out niya si Marlo Aquino. So ito, alam mo ditong larong ito, Kinito, kagaya na banggit mo before the game, this is going to be a game of momentum and neither team is really folding up despite yung momentum na nakukuha ng kabila.
Totoo yan. Akala ko nga yung momentum shift going for Gordon's Gin after the 3-point shot will be decisive but not quite yet. At nawala kay Mike Mustre yung bola.
Natapik daw ni Noli Locsin, humihingi ng foul si Mustre. Yung mga taga-Gordons naman nagre-reklamo na natapik daw ni Mustre. So talagang everybody getting involved and even this man, si Bal David, very intently listening to the instructions. Cut ni Racela, tira kaagad, yes! And ang lamang balik sa San Miguel Beer, 69-68.
Execution by San Miguel Beer. Ito na kay Chris King. Such a poised import.
Aquino, laban kay Jeff Ward. Easy basket.
Sinubo ni Marlo Aquino yung bola.
Kailangan na maging dominating ito si Marlo sa gitna for Gordon's Gin to continue to lead here. San Miguel Beer on the other hand is looking for Nelson Asaitono na patuloy na inuulila ito kanyang koponan. Asaitono now, 9 seconds, he goes running shot. Yes, what a move! And now the big time players coming in, Kinito.
Well, it's winning time, 4:24 to go. Ito si Chris King. Looking for the ball.
Asaitono with 8 points, Aquino only with 6. Chris King laban kay Freddy Abuda. Na double team, inilabas nila kay Vince Hison, libre sa 3! Wala! Jeff Ward, high up for the rebound.
Big rebound by Jeff Ward. That would have been a big three-pointer from Vince the Prince.
Yes! Hison has struggled in this game at only a total of 1 point para kay Vince Hison.
Ito na naman, yung standard play ng San Miguel Beer.
Asaitono para sa 3, sablay, rebound ni Marlo Aquino. 1 point lead para sa San Miguel Beer, 3:42 remaining. Harenzo, lumusula. Oh, leka! Sabi ni Asaitono pero may foul.
That will be number 5 on Nelson Asaitono. Tama yung tawag. There was contact. But Nelson Asaitono ready to give up the foul.
No
and
layups.
not the layup.
Talagang inabol pero may foul sa ilalim. Ano Kinito?
Well, kitang-kita yon.
And look at Ron Jacobs. Hindi lamang coach, parang nagmimistulang cheerleader na. Ito si Ron Jacobs giving it pep talk, a tap sa kanyang mga players. Mintis si Harenzo from the free throw line.
Partner yung gamble ni Nelson Asaitono. Worked that time as the pressure getting into the nerves of Pido Harenzo.
Nakikita mo yung mga fans, nagpipikita na, nagdarasal. And what a game! We're back to a squared score, 71 all. 3 minuto, 35 saglit po. Hold on to your seats, folks.
Eto na si Jeff Ward.
Asaitono pumihit, nilabas kay Mike Mustre para sa 3. Wala. Rebound, napupulot ni Mustre. And tingnan natin kung bibigay sa kanya yung timeout. Si referee Tangonan tumatakbo patungo sa scorer's table. Mukhang ibibigay, partner.
Mukha yatang ibibigay kay Mike Mustre.
30-second
That
timeout.
Mustre was almost outside the playing court. Partner yung...
Matalino yun.
Well, a call at the right time for a partner sa NBA starting next season. Hindi
Bawal
na
yan.
pwede yan.
Oo.
Eto, tumawag si Mike Mustre before he landed. Kaya tama yon.
Ang problema to, walang nakaharap na referee. Nakatingin siya doon sa photographers.
But he did make that motion. Pero partner, yung punto sinabi natin, sa NBA,
Yes.
starting next season, hindi na pwede yun.
Oo.
Hindi na pwede yung tatawag ng timeout as you are outside of the playing court even if your feet have not landed.
Well, it's very probable na susunod naman ang PBA dyan sa
Palagay
rule change
ko.
ng NBA. Balik tayo dito sa larong ito. Danny Jaworski giving instructions here. 3 minuto, 23 saglit po ang nalalabi. Tabla ang ating talaan, 71 all. 6 deadlocks in the game, but this has been closer than this one.
Partner, this is a war of nerves.
Oo.
At kung sino kaya ang bibigay rito,
Walang tumitindig dito. Walang halos naririnig mong ika nga yung mga paghinga at hinaing. 71 all. Racela has played a lot of minutes para kay Ron Jacobs.
again the familiar play, two-man strong side. Here's Jeff Ward.
Curls to the baseline. What a move. Good move. Si Jeff Ward now with a total of 26. Outscoring his counterpart na si Chris King na may 23. And we know si Jeff Ward hindi masyadong offensive-minded player ito.
Totoo yan. At we did mention earlier in our coverage his best output in this conference, 28 points. At ngayon, meron din siyang 26.
Again, no basket here. Entry pass kay Marlo Aquino. May foul na itinawag. Laban kay Jeff Ward. It will be number 4 now sa import ng San Miguel Beer.
But partner, that will send Marlo Aquino to the free throw line.
Masusubukan na naman si Marlo.
Partner, eto kay Marlo Aquino, no, we just want to be able to mention that last season, his rookie year, he led the PBA in most points scored by a local with 1,145 points. He also led the PBA in free throws made with 280. He also led the PBA in offensive rebounds with 238 and most blocks